Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Today is the first day on the GoPro and it feels so weird to have a little GoPro, to have a little screen, which is quite sick. But guys, welcome back to another video. This is why I haven't been posting much this week. I wanted to wait until we got some better quality content coming out. As always guys, these videos are about what it is like to own an Abarth 595. This is a Turismo, okay, not a competition. So this comes factory with 165 horsepower. For those of you who do not know, let's check it out. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 1 pound 38 pence to the litre. This feels so surreal to have a GoPro. This is so weird. For those of you who are in the content game guys and you're thinking about it, the thing is GoPros are expensive, and the reason why it's taken me so long is because they are so expensive to purchase. Anyways guys, a day in the life of what it's like to own an Abarth 595 Turismo. Let's go. It's 4 degrees Celsius outside. I've been stuck outside for the last hour because I locked my keys in the house. But it has been a beautiful day nonetheless. I've been admiring the sunrise. And for the sake of content guys, we got the window down. Beautiful sunny day. And we're going to give it a little bit of juice. Gear 3, Abarth 595, yeah boy! 4. Just a casual drive to work, you know what I mean? Beautiful sunrise. I'm so glad you guys can see that, and so can I, because there's a camera that I can see what's happening. Absolute game changer. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Little gargle there. See if we can get another one for you guys. Gear 3 downshift. Whenever I make a conscious effort to try and get gargle, there's absolutely none. But then whenever I'm just cruising, it just happens all the time. I'm gonna race this big van. Who's gonna win? The Abarth. And now we're gonna go sit in some traffic. I don't very often take videos on my way to work guys, because it's usually a bit more chaotic. It's more a bit of me driving around and getting to work, of course. So yeah, now we're about to sit in traffic for the next, who knows, 20 minutes. Very irrelevant from the video topic, some fresh sourdough, my favorite. When it's done warm, you chuck a little bit of butter on there. Woo! Alright guys, we're gonna see if we can get some nice pops and bangs, some turbo sound. Windows are going down, the things I do for content, unbelievable. 5 degrees Celsius outside. Are you ready? One of the other comments I got a lot guys was do a stage 1, so I think that's something I also really want to do, is just to get a bit more horsepower out of this. imagine, like this is already fun for what it is, and the body weight of this car. Imagine with more horsepower. For a 1.4. Turbo, exhaust, just everything comes together. Listen, listen, listen. We've got a big open up coming now, guys. Oh, I can barely see a thing. Ready? Turbo sounds going here, guys. Saw some comments of people saying that, you know, like through TikTok and stuff, some of the guys were saying like the gear shifts are really long. I mean, I don't think that they are. I had a TTS before this, many of you will know that. I use it as a good reference point in comparison. But that TTS had a pretty quick shifting gearbox, like the gears weren't far apart, but neither is the Abarth at all, really. But I'd like to hear your guys' comments. For those of you who do have manual Abarths, let me know what you think of the actual shifting process. Like, is it quick? Are the gears easy to get to? We all know and we all wish we had 6 gears, let's be realistic. Imagine these cars with 6 gears, eh? They'd be beautiful, beautiful. I mean, they are already, but you know what I mean, just that one extra gear. Town driving is the best with these cars. Proper catfish. So many people have told me these cars are like a catfish. You hear it coming, you think it's something massive, and then the disappointment soon sets in. Disappointment for many others. Of course, not us who own the car. Agile little things, really good fun. Alrighty guys, we are busy waiting for the car wash to become available. I haven't washed this car in a while, and you can always tell if you do wax, for example, after your car washes, you can always sort of tell, especially when it rains, when it's sort of wearing out or wearing off. Side note, I love how this 595 pops out of these seats, guys. Really, really sick. So nice. And my worst is when you've got a car behind you already for the car wash. You already know there's pressure to perform. One take wonders. Alrighty guys, so we have changed the location of the wash simply because it was quite busy, and also this one actually gives you some heated water, which I quite want for the car, especially with the mud and stuff. So let's go.
The flame won't die. Intertwined, darling, you and I. Barely scratching the surface. This obsession of mine is fueling the furnace. I'm up all night and we're intertwined.
Alrighty team, we've just filled up with petrol as well after the car wash. Petrol is £1.38 to the litre. And we just got in £38 worth, which is 27 litres for anyone who cared. But there you go guys, that is a full tank for me now to the first click, and that'll probably do me, I don't even know, it's so hard to tell. My driving has been so sporadic lately, but I'll probably get maybe 200 miles. I don't really know. Let me know down below guys what you get in terms of petrol. I'd be very curious to know. Stay tuned. I don't know how well you guys can see this, but look at this door. So light up. Obviously we've got the usual. So sick. That is class. Oh yeah, before I forget, if you haven't hit a like or a subscribe, please make sure to do so. Alrighty beautiful people, that is a wrap guys. Thank you so much for watching yet another video. For those of you who obviously commented guys on that previous video about the modifications, thank you so much for those of you who chipped in. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate each of you having your advice. Everybody's had such valuable things to say and such important things to, I guess, obviously, you know, take into consideration. So thank you guys. I will go back to the drawing board now and have a look. But guys, stay tuned. There's going to be more videos coming of what it is like to own an Abarth 595 Turismo. I'll see you in the next one.